Hello world, how are you today? It's a beautiful new sunny day here in Ireland. My name is Owen Fox. What's your name? How are you? What are you into? What's your love, your passions, your delightfulness that warms your heart? So in this video is make a little reminder to say how every day is special and beautiful and unique, just like you and everybody. We're all deserving of love, we're all deserving of respect, even if we're making mistakes or people are acting unfair or we're acting unfair. We all act unfair at different times, you know. We're all learning as we go along. So let's have love and compassion, peace and forgiveness on each other, acceptance and unconditional love, and then just simply communicate from our truthfulness and from our heart, work things out, and even still just work on having compassion, love and forgiveness regardless of how others show themselves, okay? And have love, compassion and forgiveness on ourselves, because like as I say, we all learn as we go along. We don't know everything in advance, and every single day is the brightest, most beautiful gift, and we can choose to have the best day ever every single day, and practice self-care and self-love every single day, because we need to do that to have the best day ever every single day, more or less there or thereabouts, you know. At least have the idea, the intention, like we can choose to celebrate life and be extremely happy and joyful and joyous. And to do that, we need to have a healthy, happy body. Otherwise, we won't. If we have a sad, depressed, irritated body, we will have equal mind and emotions. So it's all about the vessel, looking after our vessel, and choosing thoughts of the highest order as much as possible. Optimistic, compassionate, kind, loving, heart-centered, everything, all of those things. And when we do look after the body and the mind and our spirit, and do regularly what we love and what we wish for, and look after our needs, when we fill our cup and look after ourselves with diligent self-care practices, then we're full enough to share our fountain and our extra energy and awesomeness and wonderful vibes onto other people. Whereas if we try be loving but do not practice self-care and self-love properly, we will not have a full cup, and then we'll be drained and draining ourselves by giving too much. So that's where there's a pitfall. So every day is a blessing. We're not guaranteed to wake up every morning. So every day we're born again. It's a new day. It's a new day to celebrate and appreciate. And appreciation and gratitude will make it one of the most happiest you can be. They're two of the core principles. And if you can practice making positive lists of what you love and appreciate, even just in your mind, like just loving and appreciating what's here in front of you, your car, the view, the fact you have a body, you can see things, and appreciate your friends, everything that you have in life, everything, every single thing of every kind of nature. Just know you're not guaranteed to be alive every day, and neither is anyone else. So just love and appreciate that fact, and have the most best day ever every single day. Love you all. Thanks for watching. Beautiful day every day. And of course, work on your own inner healing, inner work, self-healing. See healers and reflect every day of where you can learn and improve, and take responsibility and accountability for your own life and how you're influencing every single relationship, and everything you're influencing is not the other person's fault. It's both of you, and sometimes obviously it can be one person's kind of like perception or being really negative, but let's have compassion for that. It can be us sometimes, or it could be another person. So let's change ourselves and fix ourselves, and have compassion and love when other people are in the process of potentially fixing themselves. And sometimes they don't, and that's okay. Sometimes they do, and that's wonderful. If people are in the process of fixing themselves, two people healing themselves, then you can work and have a great relationship. But if one person is, then you can't really work with someone who's not willing. Because they're going to be sticking in the old way of blame and negative, low frequency thoughts, you know, all this sort of stuff. But yeah, choose high thoughts, heart-centered, heart frequency thoughts of the high nature, and you'll be really happy in life. And I'm glad you watched this, so I hope you got something from it. And many things are said here. Take accountability and responsibility for yourself instead of blaming other people all the time. But yeah, as I said, sometimes it is actually other people much more, you know. So sometimes it's us much more, but we'll just do what we can. Make the best of every single situation. That's the last thing I'm going to say, because I got to go now. My friend is here. Make the best of every single thing in your entire life. Choose and focus on the best. Highlight the best. Talk about the best, about your favorite, all that stuff, and you will make the best of it. Have a happy day every single day. Make the best of your life. See ya. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. See ya.